Open the Jetluber unit. Connect the lube hose into the lube hose connector. Connect the other end to the lube hose connector on the machine. Connect the air hose. Open the lube tank. Fill the tank with jetting microduct lube. Close and tighten the lid. Turn the knob to the on position and press the reset button. Adjust the regulator to the desired amount of lube. Start with 1 stroke every 7 to 12 seconds and increase the frequency if needed. All set! Your machine is now ready for Jetluber. Easy, right? Once the installation is complete, turn the knob to the off position. Disconnect the lube hose. Insert the flush pipe into the lube hose connector. Press the flush button and drain the tank. Fill the tank with water and perform another flush to remove any remaining lube from the system. Tighten the lid and you're all set. We wish you success with your Jetluber. If any questions, please contact your local jetting distributor. Jetting. Dare to do it differently.